So in today's video, I really want to explain the use and the benefit of a market structure because I have been trading for a long time now, for about 4 years, and during my time of learning how to trade, I didn't really focus on the market structure. So I was just drawing my trend line, dead touch, all that, and also using the moving averages. So along the line, I decided to move and learn more about price action. So the moment I mastered price action, I discovered that market structure is everything that you really need to do if you really want to be profitable in the forex space. So in this video, I will detail everything about market structure and how you are going to use it for your trade and also for your entries. So, because most of the time, there are times you just see everything, you do your analysis, and the moment you place trade, you see that trade start going against you. But not because you don't know how to trade, it's because you are not doing it from the area of value when placing a trade. Because when taking an entry, you must take an entry from a place called area of value, or we call it support, or we call it resistance. So without too much wasting time, so let's just dive in. Let me show you how to use market structure for your trading. So before that, if we are going to before that, if we are going to use the market structure, you have to start from the daily time frame. But the only thing you are going to do on the daily time frame and the weekly time frame is just to look the overall trend. All right. You just need to look what for the overall trend. So on the monthly time frame, you check if everything is headed down, you know that okay, you are looking for a sell opportunity. So if everything is moving bullish, then you know that you are looking for what? A buying opportunity. And when the market is ranging, so I will prefer you stay out from the market because most of the time you might place a trade on a range market. It might hit your stop loss. And also when you place a sell, you hit your stop loss just like that because there is no direction at that particular time. All right. So let's dive in. Let me show you. So now what I'm going to do, I will draw the market structure and I'm going to explain everything from the weekly, from the daily time frame as my trend. So let's say, for example, monthly time frame is just like this, heading what? Up. Okay. Then weekly is still doing the same thing, heading up, which is the bullish trend. Now we are talking about the bullish trend. So on the daily time frame, we are seeing something like this. Push phase, retracement, push phase, retracement, push phase, retracement, push phase, retracement, push phase, then a break, and this. Now, what I'm going to show you here is that, let me take this one. This first line, I'm just using it for example. This first line is the bullish trend on the monthly time frame. Then the weekly time frame is the same thing as the monthly time frame. Okay. So remember, these two movements are facing what they are bullish. So the opportunity we are going to be looking out is what? A buy opportunity. So we are not going to be selling in this bullish trend. Okay. So now we have something like this on the daily time frame, which is the push phase, pull back, push phase, pull back, push phase, pull back. Okay. So what we are looking at is when the price break the previous high, which is this. This is the previous high. Then before the pullback happens. So, and the pullback ends here. Okay. The moment the pullback ends here, then we are expecting what? A push to the upside. And also, when we are heading that push to the upside, we are expecting price to break the previous what highs. And once that happens, then what we are going to do, we wait for what a pullback into that recent highs that was broken. Are you getting me? So if we are pushing to the upside, we are expecting to break the previous what highs. And once that happens, we are expecting price to pull back into that region of the previous what highs. So meaning that we are retesting that previous high, that previous resistance now that turns into support. So what you are going to do is for you to look for an opportunity to join the trend from this level. So currently, this level that I marked out is what the support level. Are you getting me? So when you buy from here, then your stop loss should be below the support level here. Then your take profit now should be what? The recent highs that was created before the pullback happens. This is the recent one. Okay. So now, as you can see that when price got here, it pulls back to what retest the previous highs. Then a confirmation came out and the price pushed to the new phase, which is the to break the recent highs. So now here is your catch. This is where you need to study and you need to join what the trend from here, from this boss. Then target your take profit here. All right. So the only thing you are looking for is just a break of a structure and a retest of that previous structure that was broken. I don't know if you are getting me. All right. So when you find out that your previous or your recent highs has been broken and you are expecting price to pull back into that level, definitely price must definitely pull back into that level to retest that previous what resistance. Once that happens, the only thing you need to do is to scale down to the 4-hour time frame. Remember, I am a swing trader. So when you scale down to the 4-hour time frame or the 1-hour time frame, that is where you look for an opportunity to join the trend. Remember, we are pushing to the upside, which is market is bullish. Are you getting my point? Market what is bullish. So the only thing you are going to do is to look for what an opportunity to join the trend, which is the bullish trend. Okay. So now we have taken a buy here. Then we take out our profit here. So once price take out these recent highs to create another highs, then the only thing you do is to wait for a pullback to happen. Once pullback happens again and gets what into this your previous level of resistance and it became what support. So your opportunity should be what you're looking for. The opportunity is should be what looking for an opportunity here again. Once you notice that the pullback happens and you find a confirmation on this level on the lower time frame, then you join what the trend again. You buy from here. So what we are catching is this push phase, not the correction phase. This push phase is what we are looking for. This push phase is what we are looking for. This push phase is what we are what looking for. We just need to cut out all the noise. Okay? So when this is now the recent what highs that was created before this back, which is this. Okay, so now we have taken out this recent highs again. Then what I'm going to do, I will mark it out as my recent what highs. Then I'll wait for price to retrace and come back to retest this level. That is when I will look for an opportunity again to join the trend. Remember, we are buying because we are on a bullish trend. So now, same thing, you continue like this till when price changes what direction. So I will explain to you when price changes what direction. So we look for an opportunity to join the trade here again. And once price gets here is your take profit. Don't hold the trade. You are expecting price to take out these previous highs, then wait. You can do it, but that is when you have a larger capital. And also when you are a position trader or an investor. I don't know what to call it. All right. So now we have taken out these recent highs again. This is the recent highs, and price broke the recent highs and came back to retest. So our opportunity to join this trend again should be what? Here. All right. If you are joining, it should be what? On the lower time frame. For me, as a swing trader, I normally use the 4-hour and the 1 hour to join this trend for my confirmation and my confidence and all. So now I will join the trade from here and take my profit on this level. Okay, then I'm out. So now when price fails to break, to retest this level, and remember, price supposed to what? Travel far. Let me give you an explanation. Once price take out this level, the recent highs, then we are expecting price to travel far, then before pulling back. Are you getting me? Sometimes price does not do that. Once you experience something like this, remember now this is the recent low that was created before the push to the upside. So now price is retracing. Are you getting me? Price is what? Retracing to come into this recent highs that was created before what? Buying. So it fails to do that. Then price now did this. Are you getting me now? So meaning this recent low that was created before the push to the upside has failed to hold the price for continuing to the what? To the upside. Are you getting me? So as long as price has failed to continue to the upside and it broke the recent lows, what we are expecting is price to pull back into that recent low to create what? A lower highs. So many price is changing direction to continue downward. Are you getting me? So now this is what we are expecting. Now we'll look for an opportunity to sell from here and take our profit on this lower low. So we'll have something like this. Then we take our profits from here. Okay. So what we'll do again, we have to wait. Once we take out this level, then we wait for a pullback into the new lower low that was created. Price need to what? Retest this level. So we'll look for an opportunity to catch the trade here and sell to this level. So once price gets to this level, you should take your profit and wait for a breakout and come and the pullback that is going to happen. So once that pullback happen again, that means the trend is still going to continue to the side. So this place will be our new target as take profit. So what we are going to do, we have to take time and scale down to 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame, then and look for opportunity to sell from this level and take profit here. Are you getting my point? So during this time and all these things is happening, we should be seeing monthly time frame like this is heading down, weekly time frame is heading down, then the daily is creating these waves. These waves. The daily is creating these waves. Are you getting me? That is when you look for an opportunity to join the trade to the downside, and also here and here and here. This is how you use market structure to trade. It is very simple. Don't complicate things. The only thing you just need to do is to, on the monthly time frame, look for the general trend, the general direction of the market. If everything is heading down, then you should move to the daily time frame as a swing trader or weekly time frame. Look for the same direction that price is going. But on the daily time frame, you only have to wait for a pullback to be over before joining the trend to the downside. Are you getting me? So if this really opens your eyes, don't forget to comment, subscribe. All right. I will be dropping details, more details about Forex, and I will do my best to make it simple for you to understand. All right. So now let's go into the live market. Let me show you how it looks like on the live market. So now this is what Ethereum. I'm going to use Ethereum to show you example. So as you can see, let's use here as our uptrend, which is this one that is heading up. So we have price pullback. This push phase is what we are targeting. Push phase, a retracement, push phase again, a retracement, push phase again. What happened? This is our recent lows. Price what? Phase to what? Then we have a pullback here. Price phase to what? Create another highs, and it became what? Equal highs. Then instead of that, price stopped here and what? Break out. So now what happens? Here is our what? Recent lows. Are you getting me? Then price started creating what? Series of what? Lower highs and higher highs, lower highs and higher highs. Now we have another break of structure here. You see, I just want to show you some. Let me just mark them out here. So what I'm going to do now, see, just watch out. So price broke out, it pulls back. We have a break of this structure again. It pulls back. Let me arrange, put it away. Pulls back. Then the only thing you are going to be doing is just to look for what? An opportunity here to join, opportunity here to join, opportunity here to join and sell. So if you watch, we still have the same thing here. I remember I sold from here and I stopped on this trend line. Are you getting me? So now you sold from here. Here's supposed to be my target. So because of this trend line, I hesitate and I just decided to close my position because price might stop at this trend line, consolidate, and a bullish trend will start. So as long as this trend line has been taken out, I will be looking for an opportunity to sell to this level. Okay. So now this is for the bearish trend. Then if you look at, we still have similar thing on what? On this level. Are you getting me? You see what I'm saying? So our opportunity is just to be looking for an opportunity. This is what we just need to look for, an opportunity to join the trade on what? On the retest. Also, yeah, this pullback happened because of this here side. So let me just leave down. Then also from here, are you getting me? So remember, our take profit should be what? When you're buying here, you are taking your take profit here. When you're buying here, your take profit should be here. When you're buying here, your take profit should be here. Okay? It's simple as that. All right. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. I will see you in my next video.